So Tashawn, I heard you in New York City to shoot an engagement session. I want to know what's in your bag. Stay tuned. Pow, 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 pow. It's Tashawn Jackson, wedding photographer extraordinaire, here in New York City. City of dreams where the women are pretty. That's what they say. The concrete jungle. I'm here to photograph an engagement session today. I flew in just yesterday afternoon. So we're going to talk about what's in my camera bag for this engagement session. If you know me, you know I like my photographs to have life in them and be fun. So I'm going to keep it very simple. When I'm traveling for engagement sessions, I try to have my essentials, and typically similar when I go to weddings. So for me, I'm rolling with my Nikon 85mm 1.8 and my Nikon 35 1.8 as well. And if something's calling for something different, I'll pull out the Nikon 50mm 1.8. Notice I'm saying 1.8 and not like 1.2s, 1.4s. Those lenses are great, but what I have here does the job as well. I'm actually recording on a 28mm, and depending on what the scene looks like, I'll probably pull that out, but maybe not. I've been asked before, well, why do you use prime lenses? Why not the zooms and so forth? For me, the 85 is very sharp. It's a prime lens. I can get, crisp images from it. The background has some compression depending on the settings that I use. And for me, the 85 is light enough. Okay, if I need to zoom, I can use my foot to zoom, but I use this typically to get tighter portraits. Sometimes I might get a full body portrait, but I use this mainly for tight portraits. So when there's an expression happening or laughter, I'm typically with my 85mm. Again, the 1.8 does a good job. I typically shoot either a 1.8, 3.5, or f4. I kind of vary between those settings depending on what the scene looks like. So always one of my go-to. I use the 35mm to get more context. Sometimes photographers will shoot a location and everything is so tight, you don't really know the scene where they're at. So the 35 allows me to get more context of my location. It's storytelling. You can't tell a story if everything is or you can't tell an accurate story or compelling story if everything is so tight you can't see context. That's important. I'll also pull out my medium format. This is my Mamiya 645. It's a medium format film body, and I don't use it all the time during my sessions, but I'll pull it out and maybe use one roll because this allows me to slow down, take my time, and you'll see subsequent videos about why I'm transitioning to going film. So look forward to these videos in the future. For my lighting, I have my Godox 8200. I also have the bracket. Like, well, where's the diffuser? I also travel with my handy dandy it's my Godox small softbox. And come on up. There we go. So how does it work? If you've never seen this before, it's very soft, very small softbox. You put your light in your bracket. You have a little bracket. And the tools I'm using will be available in the description below for you to get your choice if you don't have it already. So the light's in it. You attach. It's just a very easy task to do. It takes you less than 10 seconds. I'm second number 8 right now, and boom, there you go. Got it? And of course you need to have a trigger. I have my trigger in my bag. I have a little prism here just in case I see something worth using or worth doing with. You can't roll with a film body without having a light meter. Light meter is very important. There's ways to go around it, but I love to read accurate, lighting with my light meter. I had paid for it for a reason. Been having this since very many years. Yeah, so that's all I'm working with today. I have my hold fast that I'll be wearing. But it's very cold here in New York. It's cold. Got my gloves ready. Got my scarf. I got my jacket. So, again, thanks for watching. And you'll get some behind the scenes footage in this video too. Shout out to Brandon, my lighting assistant for the day. And Jermaine, who's going to be shooting some behind the scenes. So stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. That way you're updated every time I post a new video. We're out of here. Oh, wow, I gotta go. Anyway, talk to you guys soon. Out.